Phys Ed Home. We are going to do an activity called the bowling cup. This will work on your underhand rolling technique with accuracy. Now, the equipment you need for our bowling ball, you're just going to use a sock ball, just a pair of socks I rolled up into a ball. And you're going to need 3 cups, 3. And you want to use cups that you can stack on top of each other, like this. And the cups are going to be 2 feet apart from each other, 2 feet. And then 10 feet away, since I don't have a starting line, cones for my starting line, I'm going to use a bath towel. This is just a rolled up bath towel. Okay? Now, here's how you play. You start from behind the starting line, and you have to roll, trying to knock down a cup. Okay? Yes! Now you take that cup, you stack it onto another cup like that. And then you go back and try to roll, knocking down another cup. Let's see if I can do it. Yes, that counts. Even touching it will count. So you pick up the cup, place it on top of the other 2 cups, and then you go back. Then you have to roll again. If you miss, just go back. And then you roll again. If you hit this cup, the final cup, what you have to do is pick up the 3 cups, open them, 1, 2, and place 1 on top, building a cup castle. And then you have to go back, and then finally, you have to knock down that castle. If you can knock all 3 cups, build the castle, knock that down in 1 minute, you have completed the challenge. Let's see how Coach Gilardi does.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. Yeah! All right, all right. No! 3. Here we go, here we go. Yeah! All right, yes. With a little bit of time to spare. That was called the bowling cup. Now, to make this a little more challenging, you could always put the cups further away from the starting line. To make it a little less challenging, you can just add more socks to the sock ball, making the ball bigger, and you can always bring the cups closer together. But try to get your best personal score. Thank you for visiting the zone, the Phys Ed Home.